is able. Abakozi bashoboye. Ministers. Abakozi Imana bashoboye. He said will make us able. Yaravuze ngo bizatugira gushobora. No. Oya. He has made us able. Yatugize abakozi bayo bashoboye. Of the new covenant. Bisezerano rishya. Not of the letter. Atari inyuguti of the spirit. God has given you the ability to minister the spirit. He has given you the ability to minister the spirit. You say, you just say, walk. I am here. The sufficiencies of me. I'm in charge. Talk to your nation and tell it move. He says you shall decree a thing and it shall be established. He says on this rock I will build my church and the gates of hell will not prevail. Why are they gates of hell? Because the war is on the gates of hell. No, the war is not on our gate. The war is on the gate of hell. Because it means every day the church is depopulating. Every day the church is bringing fire on the gates of hell. But some of you, the fire is on your gate. Because you don't know who you are. That's why he said, me who is in you, I'm greater than he which is in the world. If some of you Christians understood what I just said, you'd even stop walking like human beings. Greater is he which is in you than he which is in the world. It's not a political statement. It's a reality of a revival. So revival for the New Testament has already happened. So when we say revival, we mean to take men's minds back. To renew their minds back to what has already been done. Who has understood what I just said? Because if we take your mind back to what God has been, let me tell you. Pastor, I stood before 50 people in a borrowed building. Borrowed chairs. And I told them we're going to shake the world. They didn't ask me how. They knew I'm crazy enough. And I told them in that 50-room unit that I'm going to go on TV. I'll be on the biggest television station. 2023. I'm on TBN. I'm on Desk. I'm on God TV. I'm on Faith World TV. I have my own in Kampala manifestation. Because he has done everything. Yes. That's why the Bible says that we speak with plainness of